What's going on, everyone? So I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to remove the CVD dog bone or the CVD axle from the JLB Cheetah. So the first thing you want to do is take your wheels off, which I've already did. And then the second thing you want to do is this pin right here. You want to push that out. There it is coming out. And that comes off like that. And then these two set screw, remove these two set screw. I've already pre-loosened them. And then after you remove the set screw, there's a ball joint screw that is connected to the upper A-arm and the lower A-arm, kind of like that. So remove these two from the arms. And once you do that, now you're left with the CVD axle. And this could just slide right out, just like that. And there you have it. So if you want to put this back, same procedure, but backwards. Start with that, into there. The end of the dog bone, back into the diff cup. Or the dog bone cup that's in the side of the diff, just like that. And then this ball joint screw, screw it back onto the upper arm, lower arm. So one thing I forgot to mention is that when you're screwing back the ball joint screw on top and the bottom, make sure to leave a little space like this. Don't put it in all the way so that it doesn't bind with the actual knuckle. If you can see, there's movement, because if you put it too tight, it kind of binds right here, so the suspension don't really have a full range of travel. I've done that before, so I've learned from it. So what I did was I just leave a little space, just like that, top and bottom. And the set screw here, you don't need to over tighten it. You want it to have a little bit of play, just like that, so that there's free range of travel for your suspension and it doesn't bind anything. And that's basically it. That's what I forgot to mention to you guys, but that's that. You put this 17mm hex hub back in here, put the pin back in, put your wheels back on, basically done. And that's how you remove the CVD axle from a JLB Cheetah. And one good thing about this truck is that this whole setup is identical on all four. So the back, the front, they're all the same, just like this. And that's one thing I like about the Cheetah. Same thing with the upper arm and the lower arm. They're all identical. So you don't have to like buy a front left or a front right or a rear right. You could just buy a set of these and it'll fit all four sides. Pretty awesome with the JLB Cheetah. And yep, that's basically it. So that's how you remove the CVD dog bone. Thanks for watching, guys.